Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Ta-da! Finished the rug. I cored it. I have crocheted. I have all the tutorials on my YouTube channel. I am thrilled how it turned out. It's 44 inches across and it is just fantastic. And I am sewing a grid underneath so it won't slide. And it's just fantastic. So I just wanted to share my excitement, and I hope you like this clip. I had to remove the music. If you want to hear the music, you can go to my Instagram page and check it out. Angora_Valera. Have fun.